Assalamu alaikum Barira, you look very serious today. What are you thinking about?
Walaikum salam Nuhera. Was just thinking about how important discipline is in our daily life, especially in Islam.
Yes, Islam teaches us to be disciplined from every action, from prayer to behavior.
Absolutely. For example, our salah itself is a beautiful lesson of discipline. We pray at fixed time in a specific way with full concentration.
True, and fasting during Ramzan also teaches us self-control, patience and obedience of Allah's commands.
Yes, even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the strong person is the one who controls himself when he is angry. That's also a kind of, isn't it?
Of course, discipline is not only about following rules, it's about controlling our words, emotion and habits.
And being punctual, honest and respectful to parents and teachers are also Islamic part discipline.
Exactly, Barira. Disciplined Muslim is loved because discipline in every action, good character reflects and good character, strong faith.
I agree. Let's try to become more disciplined in our studies, prayers and daily life.
Inshallah, because discipline is not just for success in this world, help us to be please Allah and success hereafter too.
Inshallah, may Allah make us among the disciplined and obedient believers.